Welcome to MathZip, Cambridge Mathematics Learners Book 9. We are starting Unit 2, Episode 1, Getting Started. In the portion of Getting Started, here is simple question like Sarah thinks of a number x. She divides the number by 3, then adds 7. Write an expression for the number Sarah gets. So this is number 1. From beginning, Sarah think a number x. Okay. Then she divide the number by 3. We are dividing by 3. Then add 7. Adds means plus 7. Write an expression for the number Sarah gets, and this is the expression. So first question answer done. Second, copy and complete. 3 square times 3 to the power 4 equal 3 to the power blank. We know as per multiplication law of indices, once base are same, here base 3 and 3, so base are same, that time in multiplication power will be added. So 2 plus 4 is a 6. This is our answer, which is 3 to the power 6. Number B of 2. 5 to the power 12 divide 5 to the power 9 equals to 5 to the power blank. So this is the division law of indices. Once base are same, that time power will be subtracted. So base are same, which is 5, and power here is 12 and here is 9. It will be subtracted. It means 12 minus 9, which is 3, and this is our answer. Number C of 2. 7 to the power 2 to the power 5 equals to 7 to the power blank. This one also very simple. We know if x to the power y to the power z, that time power will be multiply. It means x to the power y times z. Similar, here is base same, which is 7, and 2 times 5 is a 10. This is our answer. Okay. So number 1 and 2 done. Now number 3, expand. A. Here is x times x plus 2. So once we make expand, this is x plus 2 and here is x, we will multiply. So x square plus 2x, and this one called distributive property. Okay. Next, B. 3y times 4y minus 7w. So this one also as per distributive law, 3y times 4y, so 3 times 4 is a 12, y times y is a y square, minus 3 times 7 21, y times w, so w y. Okay. So number 3 done. Now factorize. Number 4. A. 4x plus 12. 4x plus 12. So we have to find out the common thing. Here is 4 and here is 12. We can take common 4. So x plus 3. Very simple. Number B of 4. 4x square plus 14x. 4 x square plus 14x. So here is 4 and here is 14. The common thing is 2. Here is x square and here is x, so we can take common x. So here is 2x plus 7. Okay, so number 4 also done. Number 5, work out 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So this is normal thing. 4 and 3 is a co-prime number, so once we make LCM, the result will be 12. So 12 divide 4 3, 3 times 3 is a 9, plus 12 divide 3 4, 4 times 2 is a 8. So result 9 plus 8 17 divide 12. This is improper fraction. If you want, you can make this one mixed fraction. It means 1 5 by 12 is a similar thing. We did number A of 5. Then B we can do in here 2 1 by 2 minus 1 3 by 10. This is a, both are mixed fraction. So first we have to make this one improper fraction. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 plus 1 is a 5, 5 by 2 minus 10 plus 1 is a 10, 10 plus 3 is a 13 divided 10. So 2 and 10, the LCM is 10. So 10 divided 2 is a 5, 5 times 5 is a 25 minus 10 divided 10 is a 1, 1 times 13 is a 13. So 25 minus 13 is a 12 divide 10. This is improper fraction. We can write this one 1 2 by 10, which is mixed fraction. So both are correct. So number 5 done. And today's last option, which is number 6. Here is 3 part. First A, use a formula f equals to ma to work out f when m equals to 10 and a equals to 2.5. So first here is f equals to ma. M is 10 times a is 2.5. So result is 25. Okay, so first one done. Number B, rearrange the formula f equals to ma to make a the subject. So f equals to ma, we have to find out the rearrange formula. It means a equals to f by m. Okay, then number C, use your formula in part B. So it means part B, which is this one, rearrange formula to work out a when f equals to 72 and m equals to 12. So a equals to f by m. Now f equals to 72, right, and m equals to 12. So 72 divide 12 is a 6, and this is our result. So thank you very much being with me. This is the first video of Learner's Book 9, and we are starting from expression and formula of unit 2. So one by one we try to solve whole book, but we are starting from unit 2. Very soon we will start unit 1. So till then, take care, keep practice at home, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.